So guys, just start my vlog off next to my heater again because it's the warmest part in my room, other than my bed. But yeah, college isn't closed today, sadly, so I've got to go in. But found some shoes in my room, so I'm gonna wear them today. You can say they look shit, they look nice, but whatever. So I don't want to say thank you ever so much for watching my yesterday's vlog. Thank you for the like, thank you for the dislike, thank you for the people that watched them, thank you for people that didn't. I don't thank you, but if you would, thank you for watching. But yeah, stay tuned because I'm not sure what's gonna be conceding of the, you know, whatever happens. So if I get kidnapped, then I'll vlog it, you know. If I don't get kidnapped, then I won't. Then I will still vlog it, you know. I'm joking, but yeah, whatever it conceded off, just stay tuned. It might not be interesting, but if it is, let me know in the comments. See you in the next clip. You guys can't tell, it is freezing up. You probably can't see it, but absolutely snow everywhere, like my nose. I'm not gonna lie, it's so cold today. It's I think it's even colder today than it was the other day. If I freeze to death, then you'll know. Take it off. Just took the thing out, what's it called? We just took the sump plug out because it's empty in this end. There's some other stuff. No. Yep.
Just think your finger.
Yeah. What's going to happen?
What?
Oh.
Yeah. Because you're going to figure out that way.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, don't tip it this way. No, not that way either. Have it that way.
No.
Stop! What's it again? Where do I put the ball back? Stop. I've got a key.
Yeah.
But do you want to lower it? Put it on the ground.
I don't think that's really good. I just hold it.
Sure?
Yeah, good. Just make it snappy.
Slappy?
Snappy.
So what we've just done is took this out and emptied the oil, and now it's just, I don't know if you can tell, in there. Now we're just waiting. Well, I'm going to do some noise with him. I'm just going to wait till Sir tells us what else to do. So now that I put the oil back, took it out, it's just blowing it. I've got to put the oil back in the car, then take a filter off of a little stand. I don't know if you see it over there. And yeah, something else to do other than just driving on the rig that's over there. So I can't be bothered in a minute, so long. Joe, I'm sitting here pressing the button. Brought some gloves on, which it's something. I didn't it yet. My hair though, bitch. Hello guys, how are you? What? What? We can lower it all the way, can't we, off the ramps? Yeah. I'm just gonna move these. Then pop the hood and, you know. Stop beeping. I beat you down. If they're gonna pop the hood. Have you popped your hood? Where should I stand it? Yep. So normally when you put new oil in a car, you don't empty it and put the same one in it. But in this case, I am. Oh, well, I've been talking to myself. Do. What? Is that how you pour it, Sham? Is that how you pour it? Ooh. Yeah. Can't see, guys. Ooh. You don't look safe. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Everything. What? What's that? Make sure the numbers at the top is are they?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just emptying this. Really, Brandon? Don't.
Big flame in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gone. You're not meant to do this in a real car, you know. Put fucking same oil back in it. You've already got out.
Pretty much done. You bitch.
Supposed to be a snapple. You get me?
Oh shit. It's still recording, so I'm just literally.
Mine's a fucking mess. You couldn't got it all over the engine, man.
I'm like, thank you again for watching this vlog. If you didn't, then you know you didn't, and it's just ice now. Look. But yeah, just want to say thank you again for watching. If you have, make sure to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Today's vlog might have been interesting for the people that liked it, but just we're not doing anything. No, I'm going straight home after my mate Brendan gets out. I'm talking to someone and then going boxing. But let me know in the comments on when I should upload a vlog. Say if I'm recording Monday, do you think I should put it up on the Tuesday at say 4 PM whilst I'm at college? Because in that block there, the internet is sick. Like I downloaded the game and it took like 4 seconds. Not even that, like a minute. I mean, and that's pretty sick. So if I can upload the vlog in 10 minute one and it uploads in like 5 minutes, that's gonna be sick. Like in an hour, I mean, that'll be sick. But make sure, yeah, let me know in the comments. Sorry, make sure to let me know in the comments what I should do. Like upload, record on Sunday. No, yeah, record on Sunday, upload Monday, then upload Monday's vlog Tuesday. You know what I mean, like every other day, or upload Monday's vlog on Tuesday. You know, or just keep it the way it is, because it's a bit hard to keep it on time. Where 1 minute I'm vlogging now, and if I upload this well, render it, then put it on YouTube. It normally goes up, should go up for 6, but it never does. Like, I always try and get up for 6. Like, I start uploading at 4, sometimes 5 even, and it doesn't work. So like, it normally goes up by 9, half 8, half 9, 10, not that, but if you guys think I should upload the next day at 4 p.m. or even, yeah, 4 p.m. Eastern time for me, I think that's right, is it? Don't know what time it's for everyone else, but let me know in the comments. Yeah, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and eat some snow. Peace. What's up, guys? My lovely snowman. His name is Jeff. He's got his own. Why coming closer? Go back, go back. His own Lonsdale hat. And I want to give him a big push. Yay! So, if any of you guys like my snowman, make sure to rub his winky. Goodbye.